friends, welcome back. This is Mimi with Kidz Stories More. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got a few wooden heart. See that? Isn't that beautiful with the cutouts? I'm going to put it against here so you can really see it. And that's how I might actually glue this onto here once I'm done, but I have to see how this one comes out first. I've been seeing this thing online where people kind of put a bunch of paint on their canvas or paper, and then they kind of take, some kind of yarn or thread and kind of pull it through and make different designs. I don't know how that's going to work here, but I'm willing to give it a try. Would you try it with me? Even if it doesn't come out as perfect as I would like it, you know what? If it doesn't, I could always lay this one, paint this real nice with paintbrushes and put this over it. Or it might come out spectacular. We don't know until we try, right? We got to give it that old college try. So I'm going to move you around here so you can actually see over my shoulder and see what I'm doing. And maybe you'll create something similar at home. Let's give it a go. Okay, I apologize in advance. Hi friends, welcome back. So I needed to let it dry, but after 2 days, how does it look? I should put this on a stand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Mod Podge on top of that to give it that nice gloss. But isn't that cool? Look at all the zigzags and swirls in that. It's got all funky colors mixed in. I think it came out really nice, and it'll look even better once I put the Mod Podge on. Unfortunately, I have no idea where my Mod Podge is. I might have to get some more. So I hope you try this. I think it was very easy. Just taking the string, kind of going back and forth with it. And I hope you'll join us next time for another fun craft. Until next time, Kidz Stories and More. Like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.